Light-cured Brandenburger pipeliners in all diameters have been successfully used for sewer rehabilitation in many countries for more than 10 years. Brandenburger has developed a sewer rehabilitation system in which all elements harmonize perfectly, from the liner material and light-curing resin composites to the UV light equipment. This closed system from one single manufacturer is the prerequisite for safe and long-lasting renovation of damaged sewers. Our example shows the rehabilitation of a DN 600 vitrified clay pipe with a reach length of 129 meters by means of the Brandenburger pipelining procedure. The damage included cracks, shards, and especially untight pipe joints. The sewage pipe is expertly put out of use. Subsequently, it is rinsed and calibrated. Obstructions and intrusions, such as tree roots or residential connections, are removed, and the condition of the prior pipe to rehabilitation is documented by traversing its length with a camera. Brandenburger liners are ready-made to fit the dimensions required at the construction site. Therefore, no resins, accelerators, and other chemicals need to be applied at the construction site. When packed in a stable wooden transport box that seals out all UV rays, the Brandenburger liner can be stored for months. This provides an unusual degree of flexibility in the event of unforeseen delays at the construction site. First, a pre-liner is drawn in from the start to the target shaft to serve as protection and as a sliding film. Then the GFRP pipeliner itself is drawn into the pipe section. In the case of large diameters and long liners, a conveyor belt can be used. Thus, the personnel on the construction site can be kept to a minimum. Special packers seal the pipe section at both ends. Subsequently, the Brandenburger liner is positioned by filling it with compressed air. The undersized liner form-fits onto the old pipe walls, thanks to the high flexibility of the GFRP composite. This avoids wrinkles, and an even pipe is formed within the old pipe. In the next step, the Brandenburger liner is cured with a mobile UV light. The chain of lights is inserted into the position pipeliner and moves through the pipe section under computer control. Both the light intensity and the duration of the exposure are fine-tuned to the specific rehabilitation case. When exposed to UV light, the light initiators in the special resin react and trigger the polymerization process in which the resin and the GFRP base material harden into a solid plastic pipe. Thanks to the perfect interaction between the liner structure, the resin concept, and the UV technology, the Brandenburger liner hardens very quickly during the curing process. Curing speeds of up to 2 meters per minute are possible. The entire curing process is electronically controlled, monitored, and documented. This most importantly involves logging the ignition times, the number of lit lamps, start and end of the curing, inner air pressure in the liner in millibar, curing speed in centimeters, measuring of the resin reaction temperature, and showing the traveled path. Thus, the entire rehabilitation procedure is fully documented. After curing, the GFRP liner cools down within a few minutes. The light source and packers are taken out, and the protective film on the inside is removed. The residential connections are opened by means of camera-monitored cutting robots and are subsequently expertly connected to the rehabilitated sewage channel. With the optimally fine-tuned Brandenburger technology, the entire rehabilitation process was completed within 8 hours. Within a very short time, rehabilitated pipe sections can be reopened for use.